Fox's 911 Season 2 got a big boost in Live+3, drawing a new series best 13.8 million viewers, up 41% from Live+same day, 9.8 million. The hit drama from Ryan Murphy, Brad Falchuk and Tim Minear also posted a series high among adults 18 to 49, with a 3.414 rating in Live+3, up 26% from its Season 1 debut and plus 31% from L+SD, 2.6. According to Nielsen, Sunday's Season 2 opener also notched a 31% jump among total multi-platform viewers compared to its series premiere and ranked as broadcast's highest-rated drama since This Is Us season finale in March. Across Fox Now and Hulu, 911's 3-day streaming averaged 1 million viewers, up 57% from its series premiere. 911 explores the high-pressure experiences of police officers, firefighters and dispatchers who are thrust into the most frightening, shocking and heart-stopping situations. These emergency responders must try to balance saving those who are at their most vulnerable with solving the problems in their own lives. Angela Bassett, Peter Krause and Jennifer Love Hewitt star. Oliver Stark, Aisha Hines, Kenneth Choi, Rockman Dunbar and Ryan Guzman also are featured in series regular roles. 911 is produced by 20th Century Fox Television in association with Ryan Murphy Television and Brad Falchuk Television.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.